Hello world, Happy New Year. It's 2013. For this reason, you will learn how to make a delicious recipe called Pancit Canton. What's Pancit Canton? Well, it's fried noodles in English. Pancit is the Tagalog word, which is the Filipino language for fried noodles. Now, here are the ingredients you will need. In our recipe, we will include shrimp and vegetables. The first ingredient you will need is the Pancit Canton, which means noodles. Half a kilogram shrimp. Bunch of broccoli. If you want, you can use snow peas. 1 yellow bell pepper sliced. Half of cabbage thinly sliced. 1 carrot thinly sliced. 1 chopped onion. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. 2 cups of beef broth. 2 pieces Knorr cubes. Black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, canola oil. First, preheat your frying pan or wok on medium heat. Make sure that your oil is hot. Remember that the oil is canola oil. Add the garlic, but only use half. Save the rest for later. Saute the garlic. Next, add the onion, half only. And stir. Add the shrimp and stir. Wait for the shrimp to become red. When the shrimp is red, it means that the shrimp is cooked. Now, the shrimp is red, so it means it's cooked. Add a little bit of soy sauce. Add a little bit of oyster sauce. And continue to stir as you see here. Add the black pepper. And continue to stir as you see here. Add the chopped parsley. And continue to stir as you see here. Stir for about 1 to 3 minutes. Set aside the shrimp for later. Clean your wok and then fry your vegetables. Add the canola oil back into the wok. Wait for it to become hot. Make sure that your stove is on medium heat. Add the rest of the garlic into the wok. And stir as you see here. Add the rest of the onion into the wok as you see here. And continue to stir. Add the Knorr cubes into the wok and continue to stir. Next, add the carrots and continue to stir as you see here. Next, add the cabbage. Continue to stir your ingredients as you see here. Next, add the broccoli. Make sure you do not overcook your vegetables because it tastes better when your vegetables are crunchy. Continue to mix as you see here. Add the bell pepper. And don't overcook your bell pepper because it tastes better when it's crunchy. Continue to stir as you see here. Add the soy sauce as you see here and continue to stir. Add the oyster sauce. And then continue to stir as you see here. Add a dash of black pepper and continue to mix as you see here. Next, put the shrimp back into the wok as you see here. And continue to stir as you see here. Now that everything is cooked, you have to set aside the vegetable and the shrimp. Just put it into a bowl as you see here. Next, you have to add your beef broth into the wok. Let it sit for a while until it comes to a boil. Now that the broth is boiling, put some oyster sauce into the wok, as you see here. Then add the soy sauce into the wok. Then add the black pepper into the wok. Stir as you see here. Next, add the noodles into the wok and let it sit in the broth. Let it sit until the noodles become soft. Okay guys, so the noodles are now cooked. So all you have to do is mix everything all together, including the ingredients that you put aside into the bowl. Just add it back into the wok as you see here. See? Alright, so we managed to get all the ingredients back into the wok, and now we're integrating the ingredients together with the noodles. Alrighty guys, the pancit is now done. It's already cooked and it's ready to serve. Yummy. Since it's the new year, I'm gonna have this for dinner. And noodles are good for long life. Okay guys, as you can see, the pancit or the fried noodles is done. It's cooked and it's ready to serve. And after you cook it and before you serve it, actually you can put some lime on it to make it taste better. If you like the YouTube videos that I make, Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Like this video, share this video, and comment on this video. Happy New Year, everyone.